Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Come spend the day with me while we do a few things around the home and take a little trip. First, I'm going to share with you this lovely package that I received from YITAHOME. It is a beautiful ceiling fan that was much needed in my home. This beautiful ceiling fan was very easy to assemble. I must say, start off with reading the instructions and taking all of the safety precautions, making sure power is off so you will avoid electrical shock. Now the contents of this fan is amazing. You have the motor housing, you have the arms, you have the transmitter, lighting, and the remote, and so much more. Look at these blades. These blades are metal and they are so beautiful. And look at the details on these arms. Now my hubby is starting to put together the ceiling fan. By placing the blades on the arms. Next, he installs or hangs the bracket in the ceiling. Then he takes the ball down rod and places it in the bracket. And then he goes back and starts putting together the ceiling fan. And he was installing the down rod assembly. Now, as you can see, he is hanging the motor onto the ball down rod assembly. And now the fun part, placing all of the blades on the motor. And this beautiful light fixture. This light fixture has 2 light settings that you can control with the remote, as well as 3 speeds for the ceiling fan. And here is the ceiling fan with the daylight brightness on. So pretty. As well as the warm light setting. Now, information about this ceiling fan and the company will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code for my blessed family members. And it's such a beautiful day here in Florida, and we decided to come to a local nursery here just to look around. Actually, hubby wants to find something, a plant, but this nursery has been here for years, as long as I can remember. It's been here for a very long time, and it's a beautiful nursery. So come spend the day with us as we take a look in Rockledge Gardens. I want one of these in my yard so bad. A magnolia tree. And we have these crepe myrtles. These are huge. We have one of these in our yard.
134.
Beautiful. Well, it has been fun hanging out here at the Rockledge Gardens. We really enjoyed ourselves. Hubby is loading the car right now. But this is a beautiful place. The weather has been great, and we really enjoyed spending a little time here. Lastly, I would like to share with you a thrift find. I received a message from one of my beautiful YouTube sisters, Martha of Divine Inspirations. She messaged me that she had been in my area the day before to take a look at this beautiful coffee table. And she was a little disappointed because she couldn't get I'm assuming she couldn't get the coffee table into her vehicle. But she messaged me because she knew I lived in the area and told me about this coffee table. The thing is, my dream team sister, Shalomi of the Glamorous Penny Pincher, has this exact same coffee table. This table is gorgeous, guys. It is gorgeous. And I am going to put my touches on this table. I'm going to do a little something different to it. And you will see it very, very soon. And I would like to thank Martha for calling me and letting me know about this beautiful table. And Martha, I am loving it in my home. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on my social media sites, and shop my Amazon store for all of your home decor and personal needs. All the information will be listed in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.